Hello guys, hello my loving students of Rayarampura. Today I am going to give you a little tips on learning communication English as well as the written English. English is a subject in the high school level, starting from the primary to high school to the college level. We think that it is a very difficult subject for us. To be frank enough, English is not a difficult subject. It is a subject that we fear, we are afraid of that subject. That is why we feel that this subject is a difficult subject. Now, everywhere there is a fear of corona and we are forced to stay at our home. Schools are closed, colleges are closed. Then such a long time, we had to divert our time for creating something. For the first step of communication English, I inform my children that you have a lot of power within you. You can also create an English dictionary, because English is just like our mother tongue also. We should think in that way, because nowadays many of the English words are used in our mother tongue. We see a lot of words around written on different advertisement boards, written on the books. We are getting a lot of exposure in our environment, the English word. I give you a theory, a tips, how to create a dictionary sitting at home. Every student can create a dictionary, his own dictionary, that is named as a My Dictionary. Every day you see different type of words in and around. If you take an interest to create a dictionary, just have a notebook, have a small notebook in your pocket or at your home. Write at least 5 words daily. 5 new words that you see in your around, in your environment from the books. If you write 5 words, new words, then in a month you can create 150 words. So in a 3 months, nearly 450 new words that you come to know. So I tell you, it is not only the words, you can create some noun words, some verb words, adjective words, and also different type of words, pronoun, noun and everything. Once I tell you, a student learns only 50 action words in his life, 50 only, the action words, then he can start talking English of his own. I tell you, when a student goes to an English medium school, he never knows the English. His parents also do not teach him the English. But he starts talking how? Only because he starts talking from the words. Because a small child always starts talking from the words. What the small words he learns at the childhood. For example, in the class, if a child wants to go to the toilet in an English medium school, then immediately he stands up and tells to his miss, teacher, toilet. Then his teacher understands that child wants to go to the toilet. Likewise, we have to start our English from the as a child, as an English medium child. Now government has taken a decision that from the class 2, our students will start learning communication English and English. Therefore, it is my first effort and trial with my students during this corona lockdown period. My loving students are sitting at home. If my students are interested, they can create a dictionary of his own. Just write 5 new words, then he will create 150 words in a month, and he can give that name of the dictionary, that my dictionary. So this is a first step, first day tips to my children, to my students. They will come, and in the future days I must release different type of videos on written English and also in the communication English. My dear students, guys, if you are really interested, then you can talk to me over my telephone also. My telephone number is 9438013288. Thank you to my dear students.